Hi there, my name is Shelley Bow. I have a background in human relations psychology. I'm a certified rapid transformation therapy practitioner, and I've been with Market America and Shop.com 25 years now. Have earned some great awards and some recognition throughout that pace as I've worked very hard to support people across the nation. Today, I'm here with a simple tutorial how to show the one-page plan if that's something that interests you. For those of us that have been doing it, we are experiencing great success. So I thought it would be worth bringing to your attention how we're doing this, why we're doing this, and what are some good follow-ups to it. So this tutorial is for you, not to necessarily share this presentation because this is for you to learn. It's a tutorial for you to learn how to do this yourself. Now you can do it quite easily if you're in person just by writing it on notebook paper. However, if you are on Zoom, you can just pull up your whiteboard and do it that way as well. And I recommend practicing that a couple of times before you actually bring somebody on to do it officially for them. First thing I will say, don't worry about being perfect. Don't worry if you're missing something. They don't know the difference. I don't know the difference. In fact, each time I do it a little bit differently. So, first thing is you write down a number one. Today, I want to talk about the company. The company is, and I'm either typing or writing, 32 years old. We have an A+ rating with the Better Business Bureau, and we've won the Torch Award for Business Ethics, Performance, and Integrity now three times since I actually produced these slides in December of 2024. We are a product broker, an e-commerce business. If you combine franchising with the power of the internet, that is the hybrid you're about to see. We have 19 exclusive divisions, including health and nutrition, financial services, cosmetics. We have 3,000 affiliates, which I think is most interesting to a lot of people looking at this company because it really sets us apart that we have those affiliates like Home Depot and Bass Pro Shops and Macy's and Sephora and Travelocity, in addition to our major exclusive divisions. We are a global marketing company. So that's a little bit about the company. Number two, earn. How do we earn? We actually earn income three ways with our company. Number one is cash back. You as a customer earn that cash back on your purchases, and it goes into a VIFT wallet, VIFT. That money can be used, saved, or transferred to your bank account. We too, as unfranchised owners, earn that cash back. However, we also earn, number two, retail profit on the exclusive products. And there are hundreds of exclusive products. It's about a 30% markup. The third way we earn income is through volume-based commissions. Volume-based commissions. This is how we earn our income, how much volume products and services are produced within the organization on a weekly basis. An example would be at wholesale, $55 for a box of daily essentials. We sell it for $77, and my mistake, their typo, $22 retail profit is ours up front. So that's the second way you earn income. Cash back, retail profit, and then those volume-based commissions, there's a point value given to each product, and that is negotiated by corporate. So for this example, $55, retail for $77, profit $22, 40 BV points, working toward my commission checks. Number three, I want to share with you what we are not. We are not multi-level marketing. We are not direct sales. We are not real estate, insurance. We're not a corporate America job. We are not even a franchise, even though we look very much like one. We are none of these things. Why are we none of these things? Because each one of them comes with, number four, downsides. The downsides to most of these businesses are they build in tiers, they build according to levels, percentages, they structure horizontally. In other words, if I'm at the top, I'm going to get a big front row, 10, 12 people, because that's where I earn my income. And then it funnels down from there where they build on levels. And typically I'm only going to be paid 7 levels of people deep. That is not what this is. they're creating their own competition. This is corporate America, insurance, real estate, all of them. They're creating their own competition because what happens? You teach them everything you know, and then they break away and start their own, which is great if that's the way you want to build your career. However, the breakaways, the competitiveness, the horizontal building, the paying on levels and percentages, having quotas, to me, it's like spinning plates. It's not something I want to be part of, even though I think there's good people and good products with those business plans. I don't believe it's the right business model financially if you're looking for a serious side income. And number 5. So what's the solution? The solution is marketamericashop.com, a 2 to 3 year business plan versus those of us who go to school, get a job, work for 45 years, the 45-year plan to end up dead broker still working. You question that, look up the Dorney economic tables. 95% of people will be dead broker still working at retirement. Binomial vertical marketing is what we are, meaning binomial two organizations, vertical, in depth, to infinity. We were created and introduced to the world by James R. Ridinger in 1992. If you go over to the diagram at this point, I want to draw out you and show that you have a left side and a right side. So I'm going to draw an arrow out to the right. I'm going to draw an arrow out to the left. And in between here, I'm going to put, as I stated, to infinity, no bottom, no levels, and 100% of all the volume of products and services being sold and used, 100% credit to everyone. Give you an example. If this is you, Bill, and you have sponsored your buddy Bill and your other buddy Tom, meaning you have partnered with them, they have joined you in business. Building down the left and right is our goal from this moment forward. You see, we don't go wide. If you have another partner or someone who's interested in the business, we link them up directly beneath Bill. So Bill, and then you bring on Susan, or maybe Bill brings on Susan. And then me, your senior partner, because you all have senior partners also continue to build, interview, qualify, partner with the right coachable, goal-oriented people. For example, Bill, if I bring on Anna, I link Anna up to the first open position. Let's say that you then decide you're going to bring on a gal named Kim. Kim gets the first available open position. How exciting for them to partner up with the team to take that next spot. And the leverage is exponentially growing because we build left, right, left, right, left, right. Every new partner linking up. And once you see the way the money payout is, you're going to realize it's not just every partner. It's every partner, their customers, their personal orders, and all of it gets fed to the organization as we get to place those orders and assign all that volume to the last person who came on with you. Amazing how that feeds up. And like helium, everything Anna does goes to Susan, goes to Bill, goes to you, Bill, goes to me, and so on and so forth. And everything I do, I assign that down there to my last partner, place it into Anna's center, goes to Susan, goes to Bill, going to you, Bill, and coming to me as well. I think it's hilarious that I decided to share this and to use the name of a gentleman that I'm recently working with named Bill. And I had already filled Bill in the spot. So that's kind of hilarious to me, but it often happens. This is as far as we want to go. This is enough information for someone to say, this is quite interesting. What would be my next steps? There's some ideas for next steps. Maybe it's the first look, the official first look overview. Maybe it's a shop.com tour. Maybe it's both. Definitely trying some products, getting some samples out, plugging them in for some education, and then walking through, show me the money. How does all of this volume, these products, these services, these partners, these customers add up for me? And how is that going to pay me on a weekly basis? Smallest income is a $300 commission check. Remember, 3 ways we earn income. volume-based commissions is the most lucrative. Inviting others to evaluate this. Once it's all together, you would have it all on one page, the one-page plan. It's going to look like this: the company, the earning, what we are not, the downsides to those businesses, and finally, the solution. The arrow out to the left, the arrow out to the right, building to infinity. And I'm going to add this. I do believe oftentimes people struggle with the transition. So that's why I put the next steps in there for all of you to learn, to know there's always a good next step. Give a couple of options, and your prospective business partner will know, hey, I could refer you to somebody. This is interesting. I want to see more. I'd like to shop through the site. Let me try some products. Could you show me the money? Whatever it might be, as long as it's a good next point of contact. And the last thing I want to share with you is I think it's vital we all learn the no decision close. So what I did is I took James R. Ridinger's no decision close material and I made myself some bullet points and memorized them. So the main thing is when you're closing out, and this doesn't need to be with the one-page plan, please. This is more for when you walk through the full plan or the show me the money part. Number one, don't expect to understand everything. There are too many numbers, graphs, charts for us to understand. My goodness, if you did understand it, you're a whole lot smarter than me. The important thing is you see value in the 2 to 3 year plan. Certainly, number two, you don't know everything you need to know. You didn't know it when you started your last job, right? It takes about 6 months to a year to really get yourself established. And from there, you're building into that exponential growth. The key is we've got the leverage here as well. Number three, we all have questions, right? And oftentimes we're looking for a guarantee. If you don't look, you won't find. If you keep doing the same thing will happen. And if you think this looks difficult, just imagine what it would be like out there starting a new franchise or traditional business in this economy. Number four, I know you have questions like, will this work for me? Is this for real? We have questions too. Are you coachable? Are you willing to work to achieve those goals? Because we're willing to mentor, coach, teach, and train you. And it is a delight and an honor to do so. Well, we have a risk-free way of getting both of our questions answered. It is called a number 6 trial run. However, the most important thing is you're willing to get more information. Number 7, there's always someone who thinks we're just trying to get them into something. Well, for the first time, nothing could be further from the truth. Because if I had to drag you in kicking and screaming, you wouldn't do anything with it anyway. I'd end up having to restart over, qualifying, interviewing the right partner. So I don't want to waste either of our time. You see, we don't get paid because you register a business. We get paid when you're earning money. Therefore, we want to invest our time in the right people, coachable people that want to experience success, whatever that means for you. Number 9, a few things we're looking for as we're qualifying you as a potential new partner. 1, have we answered your questions? 2, have we gotten you to an educational event? Are you willing to take on some education and learn a little bit more? 3, are you willing to try the products? And 4, have you thought of a couple of people that we can get in front of this and have them evaluate it, even if it's just the one-page plan? So I hope you guys have all found this beneficial. I do believe we are what we repeatedly do. Excellence, then, is not an act, but a habit. Aristotle. Thank you for allowing me to do this tutorial for you. I hope it helps thousands upon thousands of people. And I will say this, it has been a pleasure and always is a pleasure to serve each one of you with things that I feel like I'm using that are working. I want to thank Don Martin for creating this one-page model. And I want to say to you again, make it your own. Just have fun with it. Start with it in person. And I think you will truly enjoy it as much as I do.